Singer Easy Repair. It is important that you take safety precautions when following what we instruct on Easy Repair. Therefore, one or more of these icons will be displayed on screen as an indication of when and where you need to be the most precautious. Today on Singer Easy Repair, let's find out how to properly store food in your Singer refrigerator. Let's look at how the shelves are organized in a Singer Geo 200 NF No Frost refrigerator. This is the freezer unit of the Singer No Frost refrigerator, temperature controller, the ice maker, ice dispenser tray, and the door racks of the freezer. This is the refrigerator section, its temperature controller, the storage rack, and shelves. This is a special air fresh unit in the Singer refrigerator, made to keep the fruits and vegetables fresh. And at the bottom is the vegetable container. Now let's look at the shelves on the door. First, the egg containers. Next, the smaller shelves for small items like butter. And at the bottom is the bottle storage shelf. This is the freezer section. Can be used to store ice cream, meat items, etc. Down below the refrigerator section can be used to store milk and fruit in that order of what needs the coldest temperature to the not so cold temperature. Next, the vegetable container. It is best if you can store as many vegetables as you can in the vegetable container. It will ensure the freshness of the vegetables. So we believe you have a good idea on how to properly store food in your Singer refrigerator.